Okay, so I'm making roasted pepper salad. You can use a mixture of red and green peppers and roast them. I'm using a jar of already roasted red peppers, and I will be cutting up the green pepper to mix it with it so that it gets a little bit crunchy. I'm gonna be using roasted onions and roasted garlic because I don't like the taste of raw garlic very much. And I will be adding a little bit of fresh onion again for the crunch. But you can use just fresh onion and fresh garlic if you want. It doesn't have to be roasted. I just do it that way. This is some vinegar. I use lemon instead of salt. The spices I use are cumin and black pepper. Traditionally, you use olive oil on top as part of the dressing. I'm not using olive oil. I'm just using the mixture of the lemon, the cumin, and the black pepper and the vinegar. So I'll cut everything up and I'll show you. So this is the roasted onion and the fresh onion. This is the fresh pepper and the roasted pepper. And this is the mixture of the roasted garlic, the spices, lemon, and what else? Oh, the vinegar. And just mix everything. This is eaten cold, so just mix everything, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, let the tastes of the different things like melt together, and then have it as a salad or a tapa, or something on a rice cake or bread. Let me just taste just to make sure that everything's okay. Yep, perfecto. Okay, so this is again another oil heavy recipe. Everything is supposed to be fried, but of course I'm not using oil. So I have some one onion here, which I'm going to saute with water. I have equal amounts of roasted red pepper, roasted courgettes or zucchini, and roasted aubergine or eggplant. I have some, what is it, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, chopped parsley. I have here a tin of tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. I don't have crushed tomatoes, so I'm just gonna put them in the blender. I have black pepper. I have cumin. I will taste it. If it needs salt, I will substitute it for by lemon juice. And then these, again, they're supposed to be fried potatoes, but I cook them in the air fryer without any oil. These are used as, what do you call it? As a garnish. So now I'll show you how to do it. I forgot to tell you that you need to add some garlic. I have some roasted garlic here, which I'm going to add. But if you want to have fresh garlic, you can use fresh garlic. But you add it right at the end, which is why I'm using roasted garlic, because I don't like the taste of fresh garlic, as I said before. You don't caramelize the onions, just soften them. This is some cumin. Black pepper. And I'm going to add some paprika. If I can find it. Sorry. I'm also going to add some Italian herb mix. The crushed tomatoes. Because the red pepper is already cooked, I'm going to add it right at the end, otherwise it will be too done. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add the garlic. The red peppers and the parsley. Just keep it until everything warms through, and then we will plate. Potatoes, onions, and pepper. Okay. I'm adding garlic, some chili peppers. Instead of the green pepper, I have this jarred red pepper, sweet red pepper, which I'm going to be using instead of the green pepper. But you can use green peppers. And for spices, I'm using black pepper and cumin. Now, traditionally, this is done, everything is fried, traditionally, you know. So there is a lot of oil in it. But I'm going to try and do it without any oil. The lemon I use to replace the salt. So because I'm trying to have as little salt as possible, so I'm not using salt. But if you're not salt free, then you can use salt. It's up to you. I'll cut everything up and come back to you.
There was not a single case involving multiple blows